Yeah, pour it in. Squeeze it in, all of it.
It's just like, fake slime here.
Yeah. Slime number 2.
It got into my hand.
Uh-oh.
Take it out.
Just put it aside. Oh, she's coming around with a bowl.
It got onto my hand.
Okay. We're stirring our slime. Want to say something?
Make sure all the baking soda is dissolved, okay?
Dissolve the baking soda like you did. Great job.
Once you guys don't mix this too fast now.
We just added water.
Yay.
Keep mixing. Keep
So much
mixing.
fun.
We're gonna add more color. What color do you want?
Oh, there's still green.
Alright, what color?
Green?
Yeah.
Green?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
How come this one is clear?
Yeah.
Next. Whoa.
Okay.
It's okay. It's just eye contact.
Eye contact.
Oh.
Stir it up, stir it. Gently, gently.
Okay, this
Need
is.
to help you?
This is some real music.
Oh yeah, it's like getting stuck to the ground. That's it. You don't put too much for this one. Put too much activated.
It's like the ooze, Narayan.
Well, it's worth a try.
Hold up.
This time it's clear, so then it's like dark. This is called
There you have your ooze.
It's actual.
Yeah.
It's hard. Very hard. You like some?
No, you enjoy mommy.
What do you think of your clear slime?
Yeah.
What do you think of your slime?
That's at the end, right after this. It's Slimer, Ghostbusters.
Oh, Grimer. Isn't his name Grimer?
Slimer, yeah. Very cool.
Yeah, guys, it's gonna rip if you pull it too hard, okay?
Okay, we're gonna add toppings.
I think there are turtles
I got
in there.
charms and such. So just let me talk.
Okay, can we do both from both sides?
No, yeah. Everybody's doing everything. It's just that we
Oh.
split in half tonight.
Okay, we see. Can we
Okay,
get
so
a turtle?
animals, and then we got.
Turtles?
Yeah, there's a turtle.
Okay, I want the turtle.
You want choose whatever you want off land. You get 2, okay?
Oh, thank
You get 2 charms.
This one. Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, get two.
No, that's
You get
you.
2, baby.
And then you get a set. You get marshmallow, hot chocolate, or bubble gum.
Oh, what do you want? Marshmallow, hot chocolate, or bubble gum? Bubble gum? Marshmallow, marshmallow.
Which one?
Wait, where is it?
It's a scent.
It's a scent.
Oh, it's a scent. What scent do you want?
You want bubble gum, marshmallow, hot chocolate.
You want a bubble gum?
Maybe bubble gum. Yeah,
Bubble gum,
I'll take
yeah.
bubble gum.
Bubble gum.
Thank
You guys can smell that too. See what I'm talking about. Smells really good. So I'm
Thank
just-
you.
Wait, where the balls supposed to go?
Bubble gum, yeah.
Oh, that's really cool.
Bubble
I
gum
like that. I'm glad we
scent.
chose that.
hot chocolate, and marshmallow.
We have 2 turtles in the ooze. What's gonna happen to them?
See. I'm gonna put I have my 2 slimes. They smell like bubble gum and.
Like it?
Good.
Okay. We're ready to go into the slime pool. Ooze pool. Wait until she tells you.
Although it was like upright.
Reminds you of the mutagen.
Alright, everyone, the only rules do not splash and leave the slime inside of the pool, okay? You got 3 minutes. Ready?
That's so yucky. It's so cool. Oh.
Okay, so this thing is freezing cold.
everything you dreamed of?
He's so quiet.
Yeah. You got 2 minutes, buddy. You got 3 minutes to play.
Good job. Time's up with the glue.
That's all right.
With the ooze.
That's okay. Continue until they come over here.
Playing with your slime.
Oh.